Hi, so in this video I'm going to show you how to use the split screen function in Windows to go over an assignment or document with a client. So if we start by just going into the session like I've done here, the client would usually be on the other side there. And let's say we wanted to go over an assignment or a document. In my case, I've got the cognitive questioning questionnaire for CBT. And what we want to do is use the screen sharing function just down here. So if you go down into the bottom left and click on this, it'll give you some options as to how much of your screen you want to be sharing. And generally the best thing to do would be to just share the document that you're wanting. So you can choose here the application window, and if I select my questions here and click on share, then the client will now see that on their screen. But if I want to have my client in my view as well as the document, then it's good to be able to split the screen. So in Windows, how you do that is going up here into the top of the tab, click and hold, and then you drag it out to one corner there, all the way to the corner, and you can see it opens a shadow window there. So all the way to the corner and let go, and then it'll let you choose which application you want on the other side. And I want my questions up here. So then now I can go through my assignment and my client will see as I go through it, but I can also see my client, and this can be really useful in sessions.